Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Gino Sangiuliano and the title of today's lesson is Reflecting on Promoting Positive Online Communities. We'll do this by looking through multiple lenses, those of the ISTE standards, the 3Cs framework, digital citizenship, and Robert Marzano's teacher evaluation model. We have a lot to get to, so let's get started. ISTE stands for the International Society for Technology and Education. It's a nonprofit organization serving educators and educational leaders who are committed to empowering connected learners in a digital world. They have a very comprehensive website at www.iste.org. You might want to check out for more resources. According to ISTE, effective teachers model and apply the ISTE standards for students as they design, implement, and assess learning, enrich professional practice, and provide positive models for students, colleagues, and community. If you're watching this tutorial, you are certainly already demonstrating an ability to do this. There are 5 standards outlined for teachers. They are to facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity, to design and develop digital age learning experiences and assessments, to model digital age work and learning, to promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility, and to engage in professional growth and leadership. I would like to provide a pair of examples. The first one will be from Standard 3, Model Digital Age Work and Learning. This is demonstrated whenever teachers use the technology they have available to them in meaningful ways to improve learning. From using whiteboards to tablets, smartphones to laptops, these devices are being used routinely by teachers and students. An example of Standard 5, Engage in Professional Growth and Leadership, is currently happening all over the country. EdCamp-style unconferences are organized by teachers for teachers. They are a place where participants decide what they want to learn, and the experts are their colleagues. You might be able to find where some are taking place by following some weekly educational chats on Twitter. ISTE also outlines standards for students. They are creativity and innovation, communication and collaboration, research and information fluency, critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making, digital citizenship, and technology operations and concepts. An example of Standard 2, communication and collaboration, is whenever learners use social media to reach out and learn from others. Recently, my school librarian set up a video call with an author of a book the 4th graders were reading. Another example is the many book blogs that are being created by classrooms everywhere. Another example from Standard 6, Technology Operations and Concepts, was recently exemplified by the International Hour of Code. Launched in 2013 at code.org, they're a nonprofit organization dedicated to expanding participation in computer science by making it available in more schools. For more information and great activities, visit code.org. The final piece of the puzzle comes from Robert Marzano's teacher evaluation model. His second domain is all about planning and preparation for use of materials and technology. And Element 5 narrows the scope to planning and preparing for the use of available technologies such as interactive whiteboards, response systems, and computers. With many states moving toward evaluation systems similar to this one, not only is it the right thing to do, but it's essential that teachers infuse digital learning into their practices because that's what they'll be held accountable for. Teachers who utilize technology to enhance learning know that students need to do so responsibly, ethically, and securely. When interacting with any digital media, it is important to apply the tenets of the 3 Cs and have an understanding of the 9 elements of digital citizenship. It's never too early to introduce the multiple facets that will keep users safe from external dangers and their digital reputation intact. When you put all these pieces together, you have all the tools to create a positive and safe online community. Let's go ahead and summarize. We began by talking about ISTE, the International Society of Technology and Education. Next, we looked at some of the standards for teachers that are included in ISTE. We offered a couple of teacher examples. Then we looked at the standards for students. And we broke down 2 student examples for those standards as well. Then we looked at Robert Marzano's Domain 2, Element 5, which talks about digital learning and teaching. And finally, we put it all together. And now for today's food for thought. Review the ISTE standards outlined in this presentation and attempt to brainstorm an activity for each one of them. To dive a little deeper and learn how to apply this information, be sure to check out the additional resources section associated with this video. This is where you'll find links targeted towards helping you discover more ways to apply this course material. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.